Alright guys, so we are going to create an Amazon KDP account. The creation process is very simple. There is a link in the description of this video. You can click on it or you can just visit kdp.amazon.com to take you straight to this page where you are going to see two buttons, the join KDP and the sign in button. Now, if you already have a KDP account, go ahead and click on sign in. But if you don't have a KDP account, go ahead and click on join KDP. Now, once you click on join KDP, it will take you to the registration page where you enter your name, your email address, and your password. Now, when choosing your email, make sure it's an active email because if you lose your password for any reason, this is where they're going to send you a reset password link where you're going to create a new password so you can have access to your account just for so you not lose your account. So I already have an account with KDP, so I'm not going to create another account. But if you don't have an account, go ahead and fill these details and then click on create KDP account. Now I'm going to log in so that I will show you the KDP dashboard, how it looks like and how to set up your account, how to enter your bank details so that you can be able to receive your earnings every month. All right, now I've logged into my KDP account. This is the dashboard. This is my bookshelf where all the books are published. As you can see here, these are low content books that I publish, regular size KDP. These are other ebooks that I've already published on Amazon. Um, the first thing you need to do after you've created your account is to uh, add your account details, your bank details, and you fill in the tax, your tax information so that at every month, uh, Amazon will send you the payments. Now, here you check your account type, select individual, enter your legal name, your address, your phone number, then scroll down here where it says getting paid. You see a button said add bank account. You can add many bank accounts. Now, I use Payoneer. You can use Payoneer, you can use Wise, you can use Gray. I'll leave a link in the description that will show you how to create a virtual account if you don't have a dollar account or euro account. I'll leave a link in the description showing you how to create those accounts. So there's no need to worry. Just click on create bank accounts. Go ahead and select the country where the bank, if it's a dollar account, you can select the United States. If it's euro or pounds account, select UK. Now, let's say we want to be paid in dollars. You select United States. I already have an account in US, so they said you already have a bank account in this country. Would you still like to add it? So but if you don't have any account already added to Amazon, this warning will not show. But let's just overlook it for now. So if you select the United States, you're going to select checking or savings. Now, Payoneer accounts are usually checking accounts, not savings. So you select checking, you enter your account number, repeat the same account number here, enter your routing number. You are an individual, so select individual, select your date of birth, account holder name, the name of the account in Payoneer or any other virtual account you are using. Make sure it's the same name they are using on any of the all the this. Then if you have if you have an address in the US, go ahead and enter it here. If you don't have, use the address in that's your bank. Payoneer, for example, has a bank account. Use that address here. You can enter a new address and use that address, that bank address here. Or if you're using Wise or any other virtual accounts system, you can use that address. Make sure you enter that address here. And once you are done, click on add bank account. Once you've added it, it will be updated in your account, and as every month, once you have accumulated your earnings every month, Amazon will send payment to that account. Now, the tax information, normally as if you are from the United States, you the application withholding rate will be much less than this. Or if you're outside of the United States, about 30%. So enter your tax profile information. Just click on this. You enter. You see they'll give you a form to fill. most of the time is a electronic form. So you just enter your details inside the form and click on submit. It will automatically update your account. I think that's it. There's nothing much here to do. All your information is here. So once you are done, you can go back to your bookshelf. Bookshelf is where you create your account. If you want to create an account, just click on create an account. Sorry, if you want to create a book, that's if you want to publish a book on Amazon, you need to go to bookshelf. From bookshelf, you click on create. Then we will now start publishing. But we will still get back to this after we have created our books on bookbolt. We'll come back here and create our book. I will show you how this is done, so you don't need to worry. I'm just showing you, giving you a tour of Amazon KDP account to show you how the account looks like, what and what you need to do. So relax, we'll still come back here and show you how to publish a book on Amazon. So go ahead and to the next module. I think the next module should be how to do a book research. Okay, so I'm going to research a book, find out which books to create so that we can start publishing.